Meta glasses, formerly known as Ray-Ban Stories, are stylish smart glasses that blend fashion with technology. Equipped with a built-in camera, they allow you to capture first-person view moments effortlessly. Designed for seamless social media integration, they enable direct sharing of your experiences. The core benefit is capturing and sharing moments directly to Instagram, making your experiences instantly shareable. This video provides a step-by-step guide on connecting your Meta glasses to Instagram for easy sharing. To connect your Meta glasses to Instagram, first download the MetaView app from your App Store. This companion app is essential for the connection process. On iOS, open the App Store and search for MetaView. You'll see the official app icon. Tap the Install button to download the app. Watch for the download progress. Once installed, tap Open to launch the MetaView app and begin setup. On Android, open Google Play Store and search for MetaView. The process is similar. Install and then open the app. Open the MetaView app on your smartphone and ensure your Ray-Ban Meta glasses are in pairing mode. The green light on the case indicates the glasses are powered on and ready for pairing. To enter pairing mode, press and hold the button on the side of the glasses frame for 3 seconds. The light on the glasses will begin flashing to indicate pairing mode is active. In the MetaView app, you'll see your glasses appear as a device found. Tap the Connect button to initiate pairing. The app will establish a Bluetooth connection with your glasses. This process may take a few seconds. Once connected, your glasses will be paired and ready to use with the app. Once your Meta glasses are paired, open the MetaView app on your smartphone. From the app home screen, tap the Settings icon to access the app's configuration options. In the Settings menu, locate the Sharing section, which contains options for connecting to social media platforms like Instagram. In the Sharing settings of the MetaView app, locate and select the Instagram option to connect your account. Tapping the Instagram icon initiates the connection process. You'll be redirected to Instagram's login page, where you enter your username and password. After logging in, grant the necessary permissions by tapping Continue, allowing the MetaView app to access your camera and microphone for sharing content. To share content directly to Instagram, start by capturing a photo or video using your Meta glasses. The camera on the left side of the glasses captures your perspective. From the glasses' perspective, you'll see the world through the lens, with the camera capturing exactly what you're looking at. In the MetaView app, select the photo or video you just captured to prepare for sharing. Choose Instagram as your sharing destination from the available options. Add captions, hashtags, or story elements to customize your post before sharing. Press the Share button to post directly to your Instagram account. The content uploads seamlessly from your glasses. Both the app and glasses interfaces work together to make sharing quick and easy. Your captured moment is now live on Instagram. If you encounter issues with your Meta glasses connection, start by checking Bluetooth connectivity. The abstract design shows the flow of connection, while the technical device image illustrates how to access device controls. For login credential problems, re-enter your information carefully. The Permission Manager image demonstrates where to check app settings on your phone. App permission errors can block functionality. Use your phone's settings to enable required permissions, as shown in this iPhone settings screenshot. Common solutions include restarting the glasses, shown by the physical interaction with the sunglasses arm. Check for error messages in the app's screenshots and resolve them through the settings. Finally, regularly update the MetaView app for optimal performance and new features. This ensures the best experience with your smart glasses.